All right, we're going to do a quick video on how to calculate bond pricing and yield to maturity on your BAII Plus. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have cleared the register, and you want to clear your time value of money register, and do that by hitting the yellow button and then the FV or future value button. And you can see that it says clear TVM. All right, so we're going to work with a bond that is a 10-year bond that has a yield to maturity of 3%. It has a coupon rate of 4%, and it's a par value of 1,000. So the first thing you've got to do is figure out what the coupon rate times the par value gives you for your payment. In this case, 1,000 times 0.04, which is the interest rate, or the coupon rate, gives you $40. So we're going to put that in as our payment. We know 1,000 is our future value. Keep in mind here that the future value and the payment need to have the same sign, and your present value will have a different sign. So we've got 2 of our 4 inputs put in there. We know it's a 10-year bond, so we put in 10 and hit N. And we know it's a 3% required rate of return for a bond like this. Now all you have to do is hit compute, PV. And there you go. That's your price. Now the question is, next question, what if it were a $5,000 par value? Well, the first thing you want to do is clear your register, and then you put in $5,000, and that would be your future value. Your coupon payment is now 4% times 5,000, or $200. So you calculate that and put it in as payment. You still have 10 as your N, and 3 is your I. Compute your PV, and there's your price. Perfect. Sometimes, though, you know the price, and you know the coupon value, and you know the number of years to maturity and the future value or par value, but you don't know what the required rate of return or yield to maturity is. So let's go ahead for this $1,000 bond. Oops, let's remember to clear our calculator. There we go. So we've got 1,000 as our future value, and we know the price is 1085.30. Don't forget to change the sign, because your PV and your FV have to be different signs. We know it's a 10-year bond, and we know that the payment is $40. And again, your payment has to be a different sign than your PV. Your payment and your future value have the same sign. And now you just have to compute I. And there you go, 3%. If you were to do this with a formula, you'd have to go back and forth, trial and error, and it would drive you crazy. So use your calculator. That's what it's here for. Hope that helps.